everybody, this is Fatima from Addictive Tips. As of the latest version of Windows 10, system startup sounds and system shutdown sounds no longer play. If you find these audio indications of the system starting up or shutting down useful, you can get them with a scheduled task. Before you start, you need the sound files that you intend to use for the scheduled tasks. The audio files should either be in MP3 format or WAV, that's WAV format. Okay, so let's start. Open Task Scheduler, and in the column on the right, click New Task. You want to give this task a proper name. You have to create two tasks if you want both a system startup and a system shutdown sound. Our first task is going to be startup sound, so that's what we're going to name it. Now on this same tab where we entered the name for the task, this is the general tab, you want to select the option that's called Run whether user is logged on or not. And on this same tab, you'll see an option called Run with highest privileges. Again, on the same tab, there's a Configure dropdown. Open it and select Windows 10 from the options. Now, next you need to go to the Triggers tab. On the Triggers tab, click the New button at the bottom. On the new Triggers window, click the Begin the Task dropdown and select at Startup. Next, go to the Actions tab and click New. On the new action window, select the sound file you wanted to play when the system starts up. This is where you select the sound files that you've downloaded. Now go to the Conditions tab and disable the Start the Task only if the computer is on AC power. That's it. Now you have to click OK and you will be prompted to enter the password for your account to create the task. Once it's done, Windows 10 will play a sound when you turn your system on. So that takes care of the system startup sound. What you need to do now is create a system shutdown sound. Again, open Task Scheduler and create a new task. This time you want to name it System Shutdown Sound. Again, on this General tab, select the Run whether user is logged on or not option and enable Run with highest privileges. Open the Configure for dropdown and select Windows 10. Go to the Triggers tab and open the Begin the Task dropdown. From the dropdown, you need to select On an Event. Once you select this, there are a few other options on the window that are going to be enabled. Open the Log dropdown and select System, and in the Event ID field, enter 1074. That's it. Now go to the Actions tab and click New. On the New Action window, select the sound file that you want to play when the system shuts down. Go to the Conditions tab and disable the Start the Task only if the computer is on AC power. Click OK, and again you're going to be prompted to enter the password for your account to create the task. Once it's done, Windows 10 will play a sound when your system shuts down. That's all it takes. I'll see you again later with more tips and tricks for Windows 10.